Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. The transformation at Camp Nou is moving at an incredible pace, and today we have some exciting updates to share. From the terraces to the VIP areas, every corner of the stadium is taking shape, giving us a closer look at the future home of FC Barcelona. Let's dive in and see what's new around the site. Let's begin with the third tier, which is currently one of the most active and visually impressive parts of the construction site. Recently, a large delivery of new terrace sections arrived at the stadium, and workers quickly moved them into position. As a result, many of the gaps that were previously visible in the upper tier have now been filled. At the same time, concrete work continues in this section as crews carefully lay structural layers that strengthen the foundation of the tier. With every new terrace and layer of concrete, the upper level of the stadium is starting to look more complete. Moving over to the parking lot area, another important stage of construction has begun. The third phase of the parking lot works is now underway, and crews are currently filling the space with soil to raise the ground level. This process is necessary to reach the correct height near the ramp exit. Once the filling is completed, the entire surface will be covered with concrete, and the area will begin to resemble a fully functional parking facility. Now let's turn to the diamond area, where progress continues steadily. One of the latest developments here involves the installation of door frames. Using a crane, workers are carefully lifting and positioning these frames into their exact locations. At the same time, the installation of glass panels in this section is very close to being completed. Once all the panels are in place, the entrance area will have a much more modern and finished appearance. Another important milestone across the stadium is the installation of sandwich panels on the exterior structure. These panels are a key element of the stadium's new design and play a major role in shaping its final look. Right now, nearly half of the total sandwich panels have already been installed. With every new section added, the exterior of the stadium becomes more complete, and the transformation of the new Camp Nou becomes easier to see. Finally, let's take a look at the VIP box areas, which are among the most premium spaces in the stadium. Most of the crystal panels for these boxes have already been installed, marking an important step toward their completion. With the glass work largely finished, attention is now turning to the installation of doors and other finishing elements. As these details are added, the VIP section is starting to look much closer to its final luxurious design. So that's the latest progress from the Camp Nou construction site. The third tier is filling up quickly, the parking lot has entered a new phase, the diamond area is nearing completion, and the sandwich panel installation continues at an impressive pace. Day by day, the future home of FC Barcelona is taking shape. Thank you for watching, stay subscribed for more updates, and we'll see you again in the next video. Visca el Barça, always.